Hi, my name is Meg Edwards, and I'm a GTD coach. And recently, I had the opportunity to have a conversation with David Allen. And during that conversation, I asked him what his top gems were in celebration of the Getting Things Done book, The Art of Stress-Free Productivity, turning 25 this year. So, without further ado, here is David Allen talking about the first GTD gem.
2 minute rule. Come on. If something you got to do and you can only do it in 2 minutes, just go
Right.
friggin' do it. That light bulb needs to be changed. It wouldn't take you less than 2 minutes to go change it, put a new light bulb in there. That thing, the batteries are dead. How long would it take you to go get your batteries out of your toolbox and replace that? Oh my God. I still have to slap myself around and do that and get myself to come on, David. It's such a dumb, simple thing to do. But at the same time, especially if you're dealing with that in a high intensity professional environment with lots of emails, lots of inputs, lots of things coming at you, to be able to then be like Teflon. It's like, why hang out with this when I can offload it, move it, answer it,
Yes.
delete it, or whatever I need to do about it in less than 2 minutes? Don't let it hang out, because if you let it hang out, it's going to create drag on your system.
For more GTD resources, please visit gettingthingsdone.com and David Allen's YouTube channel. For more information on GTD coaching, please email us at info@gtdfocus.com or visit our website at gtdfocus.com.